afternoon. It is the start of the 4th and final week at Biloxi Bay. We've got to jam in as much as we can for these 7 days. So we're going to be non-stop over the weekend. Hopefully some boating, crabbing, pool time, checking out the lazy river, more breweries.
I want to go to the Gulfport one again.
The Gulfport one? Yeah, what was that? Chandelier Islands?
Yeah.
And then maybe Ocean Springs. There's the pier in Biloxi that I've heard is fun to go check out. So lots of exploring to do in these last 7 days. Always bittersweet, but it's always nice to move on to something else. We've got, unbeknownst to Ben, a lot of Disney trips this fall. And we went to actually book tailgating for the Alabama game in November, and LSU has increased the prices. They've doubled. Last year they were $250 for the game, and now they're trying to charge $500 for the weekend. No hookups, mind you. So we're trying to figure out what to do, if we're going to go to Vanderbilt or I don't know. So we got some thinking to do on the first of the fall. But anyway, thanks for joining us. We're excited to share the last week. Got your turkeys.
So this was actually a Saturday night, and it was a little crowded, but because they've got so many different things spread out between the cabana and the chairs and the pools and the hot tubs, there really wasn't an overcrowding feeling at all. So both Friday and Saturday night we ordered the food truck specials, which were the shrimp and steak. So let's go take a look and see what they look like and how good they tasted.
So the shrimp were really good. They were super easy to peel, and they weren't too spicy, I didn't think at all. They were just enough spice, and the corn was like super sweet. It was like a 1 pound box, and it came with a potato and corn, a little cocktail sauce. I got three 1 pound boxes for everybody, me, myself, and I. And yeah, I don't regret it. It's really good, and it's 2 meals now.
Yeah, and so that was on Friday night, right? And you had to go to the food truck by noon or something. 1. Yeah, noon to 1 o'clock, and they were $20 per box. And like Ben said, there was 2 potatoes and a corn, and then 1 pound of shrimp and some lemons. And Dakota was a fan.
Yeah, she ate it.
The corn was really good. I'm not a huge boiled shrimp fan, so I did not eat any, but we have steak for tonight. They do steak on Saturdays, so let's open that up here. All right, so this is the Saturday steak night box, and it comes with, what'd you say it was, a T-bone or something?
I think it was a ribeye.
A ribeye. Ribeye, a corn, and then, was that a baked potato?
Yeah.
But all they give you was the sour cream and some butter.
Yep.
And so this was $30, and you had to pre-order again by the Saturday at noon. And then when you got there, they asked you how you wanted it cooked. And you said medium well, and then they cooked it and took maybe
I just said medium. I didn't know.
Oh, sorry, medium. Well, that's what you asked, and that's what he recommended, right? And, yeah. So, and it took maybe less than 10 minutes, and it was ready. And they gave you a buzzer by the pool.
Yeah, they're really friendly. So.
Yeah, they are very helpful. Like what we said, they've got kind of a basic, a lot of fried appetizers. We've got some green beans here, again for the night, and then our favorite thing has definitely been the burger. It is good. Not like a smash burger, but has a lot of flavor. And then the green beans were good.
Yeah, fried green beans.
Fried green beans. Oh. These are one of Ben and I's favorite things to get as an appetizer. One of our favorites is Yak and Yeti at Animal Kingdom. And then you said the wings are really good too.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. I don't remember, did you just get traditional flavor?
Thai chili.
Thai chili, yeah. And so they were really tasty. But yeah, it's nice to always have some easy food options if you don't want to cook for the night.
Yeah, you never have to leave.
No, you don't. No. Is it good, Tucker?
Yeah.
Do another one?
No, this is still there.
It's still there. Oh, that's good.
I
All
can-
3 dogs begging for a shrimp morsel. Just one tiny piece of shrimp, please.
He's trying to get out there.
Play.
There we go.
Not me.
Yeah, you don't have to really chew it. It just like melts in your mouth. Not like overly seasoned, but just enough.
Yeah.
You gonna bite, Tucker?
He said he marinated it for a long time, huh?
Yeah, he's saying he marinates it on Friday, I think.
Ah,
You eat a bite of the steak?
what?
It's steak. You want to try a bite?
I don't like steak.
Oh,
What?
you love
You've
steak.
never had it before.
Come try a bite.
You like that.
You like all the shrimp?
You like the shrimp?
But I like it, but I don't like honey.
Tucker, come here.
All right, well, here's the question, though. Was it worth $30? Would you do it again?
I'd say probably so. Maybe not the 3 1-pound boxes of shrimp.
Yeah, that wasn't worth $60.
That was good, but I'm just spoiled living in Louisiana.
Yeah.
Getting them for like $3 a pound.
Yeah, it was a little crazy for us, but I guess it was good to try. And the kids really liked the shrimp, like we
Yeah.
said, so they got a good meal out of it. But okay, crazy kiddo. Close it. Well, it's been a pretty busy last week here at Biloxi. We've had some friends of ours come with their camper, and we had a great time for a couple nights hanging out at the pool and drinking pina coladas and crabbing, and it was just a blast. Tucker had so much fun. They have a couple girls that are a little older than Tucker, and he was just like their little tag-along caboose. It was cute. And now my parents are in town. Yesterday was my mom's birthday. They're staying over at Margaritaville Resort, and so we're on our way back over there now. The quickest way is through Ocean Springs, and we are on our way to a new coffee place called Bread Eyed Brood. And then we're gonna go hang out there for a little bit. We had dinner last night at the Margaritaville main restaurant, which was like so-so with food, but they do like the volcano, and it's just fun atmosphere. And a huge arcade, which Tucker was like over the moon excited about. We're gonna go have some pool time this afternoon, and then we're down to our last couple days. 2 more full days here, and time to pack up and head home.
Left the big city for the simple country life. Found myself a woman that it took for me to be my wife. I was working on the ground come sun up to sundown. Hey, I'm trying to make a reputation for a man inside this town. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I know George Jones and Gary Sturt, all them young guns, yeah, they've been through. Tell you one thing that you won't believe. Woman ain't nothing but a thing to me. Burn right through them like a cigarette, or a line of cocaine on a private jet. I give them good loving like they won't forget. Baby, good Lord knows what time it is. Hard as I try, maybe I just can't. I ain't no up and kinda leaving me. She kissed me one time and she took my heart. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Well, working 3 jobs, living out of a car. Mama never told me life would get this hard. Running around the world playing my guitar. Baby, you can love me, you can leave me, I'm a honky-tonk star. Yeah, I'm a honky-tonk star. I'm a honky-tonk star. Lord, I'm a honky-tonk star.
What's that? Yeah, no, it's crazy looking. We are having one final little pool morning before we head out on Wednesday. We stopped and got coffee, got the camper like pretty much all packed up, and we're gonna be ready to just hook up when we get back from cooling off. And time to hit the road. Come swim to me.
Come here, Tucker, get a good picture.
Huh? You can do it. Oh my gosh, I wasn't recording any of that.
Okay.
Okay. Well, she's gonna have to go back in because I didn't get that.